Hi, my name is Akanksha Anil and welcome back to TEXUB. Today we're going to dive into understanding the importance of LinkedIn for B2B businesses and how their strategy should be different from B2C businesses. Let's dive in. LinkedIn, often referred to as a professional network, has become a powerhouse for B2B businesses looking to connect, engage, and grow. Unlike B2C platforms such as Instagram or Facebook, LinkedIn offers unique opportunities tailored to the needs of businesses targeting other businesses. With over 774 million users worldwide, LinkedIn provides a vast pool of professionals, decision makers, and industry leaders, making it an invaluable platform for B2B networking and lead generation. So, how should B2B businesses approach LinkedIn differently from B2C companies? Let's dive in. Targeted content. In the B2B realm, content should be informative, industry specific, and provide value to professionals. Focus on sharing thought leadership articles, case studies, and white papers that address the pain points and challenges your target audiences face. White papers is a persuasive, authoritative, in depth report on specific topics that present a problem and provide a solution. Personal branding. LinkedIn isn't just about promoting your company, it's also about building personal connections. Encourage key employees to optimize their profiles, share insights, and engage with industry peers to establish themselves as thought leaders in their respective fields. Relationship building. Unlike B2C platforms where transactions are often quick and one off, B2B sales cycles are longer and rely heavily on building trust and relationship. Use LinkedIn to initiate conversations, nurture leads, and foster genuine connections with potential clients. Utilize LinkedIn groups. Joining and actively participating in LinkedIn groups relevant to your industry can significantly expand your reach and establish your authority. Engage in discussions, share valuable insights, and network with fellow professionals to enhance your brand visibility. By implementing these strategies, B2B businesses can leverage LinkedIn's unique features to drive brand awareness, generate quality leads, and increase revenue. Remember, success on LinkedIn does not depend on the number of connections you have. It depends on the depth of the quality of the connections that you have. That's it for today's video. And if you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.